Good morning. So yesterday I I left you hanging. I think so. I left you hanging. Right now I'm currently at Hispania. Guys, we are heading to Tanzania, and I'm looking forward to experiencing something different from Kenya, and I'm excited about it. Hey, here we are heading at the immigration office, and please hit the subscribe button so we can cross more borders and you support me to bring you more views and enjoy exploring more countries. Yeah, so one good thing about this stop or this immigration is that it's a one-stop place. Once you've been stamped in Kenya, you don't have to be stamped in Tanzania. So yep, I just hope you're as excited as I am as I bring you different experiences that you can come and enjoy yourself. So be sure to hit the like, okay? Hi, good morning. So I'm here at Hispania wanting to go to Tanzania. I don't know if you can hear me because there are those music there. Hi guys, day 2 of the long road trip. Yeah, I tell you, 500 kilometers is not a short way. Like, I'm so tired. I was so tired yesterday that I even forgot I was vlogging. And yeah, took lunch, proceeded from Kisii to Migori. The roads were so bad, it was so rainy, but thank God we had like a good car. And finally we arrived in Hispania around 8 or 7:30. Proceeded, slept. So right now I'm at the immigration office. We are going to Tanzania, and I'm excited. I'm looking forward to having a good day. Apart from this guy who has spoiled my evening, like just after arriving here at the immigration, they were washing a place, then he spilled water on my shoe, on my white shoe. Why on earth would you even do that? So now I'm very disappointed. Like, let me show you that shoe so you can help me feel bad. See what I was talking about? Now I have to change this shoe. At Hispania, we didn't transit to Tanzania, and that is what we are going to be doing right now. Right now I'm at the immigration. I'm so sorry about the noise that is there. I hope it does not even get copyrighted, because you know those people are recording a song. So I will catch up with you guys later. Karibu Tanzania. Yo, we're finally in Tanzania, and this is Tanzania for you guys. We are currently on a stopover in a town called Tarime, if I'm not wrong, Tarime. Then from here we are heading to Serengeti National Park, which is like two hours to Serengeti National Park. So for you to come to Tanzania, the two things you need as a Kenyan is you need a passport and you need yellow fever card. So for the passport, you can also acquire a temporary passport at the immigration office, but at a little charge. Since you're in a new country, is the number plate on the new cars or the cars around. But first, let us hunt for where we are going to be sleeping tonight. Here we are, guys. We are currently in a hotel called Bunda Hotel in a town called Musoma, yes. And yeah, it's a good place. I am loving it. Charges Kenya shillings 2,500. That is $25. So here's where we're going to be spending the night. We have a good, lovely bed, a study area, hangers, a screen, and by there we have a hotel downstairs that I'm going to be showing you, and a place you can order food. We're also going to be served breakfast here in the morning, so those are good plus. Okay, and some amenities that you need. The room also has a lovely curtain. This is lovely, or at least beautiful, because it matches with your room somehow. Though for a house, so many colors. Yeah, so that's me. So from here we have the sink, just the basic, and a dustbin where you can throw your trash. Let's go to the washroom. So the room comes with like a washroom, and basically you already know what is in the washroom, but yeah, let's see. We have the toilet seat, shower, electricity. That's it. Now, am I the only one who does not watch TV? Please comment for me in the description box. Especially when I'm traveling, barely will I like even switch it on, because I may be editing a video or finishing up my errands, catching up with stuffs, you know. But here in Tanzania, I had to give it a try and see what they offer. Basically, that is it for the room. So let's head out and explore Tanzania. Hope we have some good time here. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to be signing out this vlog here. Okay? So if you've come to this point, I'm so happy. I love you so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe so we can get to 2,000 subscribers, because we're going to travel more and more places. See you.